Hi everyone, I am Bhabani Shankar Parija. I welcome you once again to my channel. Today I am going to share the benefits of reading books. This one habit is quite common among 75% of self-made millionaires. From Bill Gates to Warren Buffett, all of them have this one habit common, that is the habit of reading books. Good books shape your whole personality, your way of thinking, and even your power of observation also changes when you continuously read books. I would like to share a fact with you. An average CEO reads around 52 books in a year, which comes down to like one book per week. If you personally ask me, over past 2 to 3 years, I guess, I have read more than 300 books, which has helped me tremendously in managing my finances, taking care of my health, maintaining good harmonious relationship, and in every aspects of my life. So my dear friends, I would suggest you to develop this habit of reading books. In the description, I will also mention 10 of my favorite books. I hope you pick one of them and share your feedback in the comments. This one habit will elevate you and push you further in life. Make sure you start this habit as soon as possible. Till then, take care and stay blessed. Bye.